हाय गाइस, हाथ ऊंचे कर लो लिटरली आसमान तक इफ यू आर बोर्ड विद द अंडरवियर जो आपके लिटरली पापा जी और दादाजी के जमाने से चलती हुई आ रही है। आई नो ये आराम का मामला है, बट आराम के मामले के साथ हमें चाहिए फैशन का मामला, अंडरवियर्स which are more Gen Z appropriate, which are not just dull, boring and bland. So in this video we are going to buy and try one of the most viral underwear brand in India right now, which also had a Shark Tank fame called as Bummer. Bummer, good for your bums. So guys, you know I love trying new brands, and in this video I'm going to try a new brand called as Bummer. This also has a Shark Tank fame and even the sharks loved it, so who am I?
Product is fantastic.
Still, we are gonna test it out. So I went on their website and my first impression was this is giving me life. It is joyous, it is colorful. Honestly, I'm in such a phase of my life where I'm just done with the solids. I want something exciting and fun. I mean, look at their prints. I'm bringing you all home. I mean, not all, few of them, because Bummers is not giving me even a single dime to do this video, but still अपनी savings से ही खर्च करना पड़ेगा. And to save some money, I'm using the exciting feature called as Builder Pack, where you just need to choose your gender, your underwear preference, whether you want boxer, briefs or trunks, your size, and tada, you save 30% on your order. I mean, saving money is fun, right? And yeah, don't forget to use their company code, which is combo 3 and combo 5, and you are gonna save 20% and 30% respectively. So let me talk about my delivery experience. I ordered this product on 15th June and this was delivered to me on 19th June, which is like 4 days, by their carrier partner known as Blue Dart, which is very famous. See, I am not complaining, Karen. I am not going to complain it took 4 days, but we live in an age of Zepto and Blinkit where literally deliveries are happening within 10 minutes. Even if you go to Amazon and Flipkart, you will get your product delivered to you in just 2 to 3 days. But as we say that good things take time, so did these underwear brand known as Bummer took time, and I'm very excited to try this out. So now the package is in my hand. There is no box or nothing, just this packet. And I have to say this package is so cute and adorable. Look at the color yellow. I mean, the color yellow is so fun. It's like sunshine. It gives you hope that the package inside is gonna be amazing. Just like when I'm gonna wear this undies, my undies are gonna scream that the package inside it is amazing. Well, that's a lame joke. In the packet it is written it is 2 times more breathable, it is 3 times softer and 100 times more fun. I mean, we will come to the fun part later. I mean, that's not it. So when you open this, the fun part is these cute baby packets inside it. Literally, you get your underwears delivered in these cute baby packets. There is a smiley made on it. Again, it literally brings a smile on your face. Bummers, you are making very good impression. And the highlight of the product, which literally touched my heart, Bummers is marching towards sustainable and environment friendly production and development. If you look what is written behind this packet, that this packaging is 100% plastic free. Can you believe this? This is made up of cornstarch and vegetable oil. I mean, wow, Bummers. And the best part is it is written you are going to compost this packaging after use. One day when I will have my own brand, I am definitely going to make these conscious decisions and be more responsible, just like the brand Bummer.
I am impressed.
So first of all, we have this brief which is named as Lazy Luna. What does Luna means? Is it a fish? Actually, I googled it and it is said that Luna means moon. I mean, oh my god, just look at the prints. You know, first thing first, when I hold this undie on my hand, I can feel that the waistband is of very good quality. You know guys, I am just tired of those undies which gives you those rashes and itches and it gives you hideous waistband marks. But because this is made up of very soft micro nylon particles, that it is not going to give you any sort of rashes and itching. I mean, just look at the prints. It's so colorful, it's so fun. It becomes a part of your personality. I am young, I just want to feel the youthful energy of my life, and this is perfect for me. And oh my god, the weight is literally like minor grams. It is very light. You know, there is some sort of mesh or some sort of tiny holes for air passage. That's why it is very breathable. And I have to tell you guys one thing which I absolutely hate about previous brands of underwear: the ill-fitting shape it comes on your body. It looks very, very odd, but I have tried this before making this video. It hugs you perfectly, and the stitching is made in such a way that it is going to give support to your balls and keep your package together. I have not touched any any fabric in my life which has been more soft than this fabric. I mean, this is very soft because this is made up of some sort of micro-modal fabric which is made up of the pulp of beech trees. Like we have bamboo trees, right? Bamboo trees, their pulp. Similarly, we have beech trees, and the pulp of the beech trees is used to make this. On this product packaging, it is written 3 times softer, and I can vouch for this fact that this is 3 times softer than your ordinary brands. I mean, let me talk about the price. This is truly value for your money. The MRP of this product is 499 rupees, but again, as I said, if you're gonna build a pack, you are definitely going to get it at a cheaper price, and I got it even for a lower price. So always build a pack while you are shopping from this brand called Bummer. One thing which I absolutely hate about most of the undies and their brands is the branding which they print on their waistband. It is hideous. You bend down, it just spots up, and I don't like it. But the branding here is so subtle. So basically, if you see at the back side of this product, there is a small tag of Bummer, which is still better than having a Bummer printed on the waistband. I honestly don't like when brands print their name on this waistband. So Bummer, you have done a good job by providing a subtle branding. So up next is this brief known as string theory. Again, I'm a science student. This might bore you a bit. Basically, in physics, there is a string theory, which is a sort of a theoretical framework where point-like particles are sort of converted into 1D objects known as strings. I mean, I don't know if this brand is inspired by that concept of physics. You can see this picture. I feel like the print is very much similar. I again love the print of this. It is very chaotic, just like physics. I just feel like if someone is going to unpan me, that person is definitely going to get color blind.
I am blind, I am.
Because this has so much of pop of colors, which I again don't complain. The waistband again is of such good quality, and I feel like, you know, I have seen this consistent thing in their product that there is this yellow sort of lining on the waistband which is common for all their product. I feel like yellow is the color of Bummer, which I don't complain. It is again very, you know, youthful. And the best part is, if you like a particular print, it's not necessary you just order a brief. No, I ordered a brief, but if you like this print, you can order a brief, you can get a boxer, you can get a trunk. I think this is a very good and smart strategy. You just choose the print and you can get it in any product. You know, most of the days I'm just juggling. I need to go to work, I need to travel, I have to run in the metro, I have to go to the gym, then come back home. So I am a brief person because it sort of gives me a, you know, a support and a head start in my day. But what about my weekends? When I'm like a lazy fish, I'm just slouching on my couch and I'm on my bed watching a movie, not doing literally anything. And on those days, I don't want something which is extremely body hugging and very tight. So I prefer boxers on that day. And I have ordered boxers from this brand too. And I have to say that has to be my favorite print, my favorite product. Just wait for it. So up next, this has to be my favorite product of this little entire mini haul. I mean, look at the name of this product, which is Trunk Stereo Hearts. First of all, I love this song so much, and the catchy phrases that are present on this undie. I cannot believe this. I mean, who in the world can imagine that an underwear can have these catchy phrases that can be so much fun? I mean, this is my favorite, and I am so afraid to open this because this color purple, I have never had underwear in color purple. It's strange and weird, right? Because the emoji which we use for male PB is that of an eggplant, which is again purple, but brands don't consider this color enough while making underwears. That is weird, but Bummer has got you covered, again as their tagline says, and it has this. This is literally a disco themed underwear. I mean, just look at the filmy lines that is written Jimmy Jimmy, and then there is Pyar Bina Chain Kahan Re. Oh my god. Next time I'm going to bar hopping, I'm definitely going to wear this. I don't want to wear anything outside it because this is so cool, but that would be sort of vulgar, so I'm going to definitely wear it inside. And I love how the cute moment is going on. There is this cute radio sort of thing. And what is this, a music player, a gramophone? Tell me in the comments if this is a gramophone. I'm not sure. This has to be my favorite. That's why I didn't go for brief. I went for boxers. I just wanted this fabric and this print give a more coverage on my body. That's why I went for boxers. I love this. If I have to describe this brand and this product in one word, it would be fun. You know, if you look at the stitching, it is stitched in such a way, especially near the crotch area, that it is going to give you a proper support. And as I said previously, that there's small sort of mesh and how this fabric is woven in such a way that it is going to give you super breathable feeling. And I love this about this brand. So if I have to sum up my whole experience and give a sort of a personal rating, so I feel like that their website is little little bit slow, their UI, especially when I'm switching from one product to another product, it was taking quite a bit time. I don't know if it was my internet connection or not, so I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 5. But the comfort, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. The style, the fashion, the appeal, again 5 and 5. The quality, guys, I have to tell you that the bummer, this brand has not compromised on quality on the basis of prints and fashion or whatever being Gen Z appropriate. They have not compromised on the quality. I am gonna give it a 10 on 5, but that's not possible, so 5 and 5. My overall rating is 4.5 out of 5 for this brand, because as Brown Daughter aka Janvi Tiwari says,
scope of betterment is always there.
There is always a scope of improvement. So I would like to end this video by saying that this brand Bummer has to be a staple in your wardrobe. Just tell me in the comments if you would like me to try any new brand, because I love trying new brands. I'm gonna do it happily for you guys, and before I go, you need to answer this one question, which is,
Will I see you later?